Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about Terra Luna 2.0 aka LUNC. What is it and how does it work? So make sure to watch the video till the end to know more. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button so you won't miss new crypto content. The primary Terra blockchain's native cryptocurrency is called Luna Classic, LUNC, and it was introduced in 2018. The token's name at the time was Luna. The community decided to establish a new blockchain when TerraUSD, USD, the network's algorithmic stablecoin, crashed in May 2022. After the release of Terra 2, the new network's native coin took on the name Luna, while the token from the previous blockchain was renamed to Luna Classic. The company that created the currencies, Terra Labs, wants the old network's protocols and apps to move to the new blockchain, Terra 2. However, as of June 2022, it is unclear how useful the original Terra blockchain will continue to be. The highest price ever paid for LUNC as of May 2022 was $119.02. In less than a year, the token rose from a few dollars to over $100 and into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization due to persistent demand for Terra's stablecoin, which led to a decreasing LUNC supply. Anchor, Terra's yield-generating technology, which provided astounding but ultimately unsustainable yearly returns on USD deposits of up to 20%, was the primary driver of demand. In April 2022, deposits on Anchor smashed past $14 billion in USD, and for the first time ever, the number of old Luna tokens in circulation dipped below 400 million tokens. Early in May 2022, UST's price began to stray from the $1 peg as investors began to pull out of Anchor, which was the major source of demand for USD. The attempts to restore the peg were unsuccessful, and during the week of May 9, 2022, USD lost its price peg once more, finally sinking to cents. The first Luna entered a hyperinflationary cycle, and the token's price dropped to pennies as a result of the collapse of USD and the bank run on Anchor. The original Terra blockchain's native coin, Luna Classic, was designed to serve that purpose. It served as the same token that TerraUSD, the blockchain's algorithmic stablecoin, needed to absorb any price variations. By issuing, minting, and destroying, burning, USD tokens to maintain a 1-to-1 exchange rate to the US dollar, USD was designed to maintain a stablecoin supply and demand at a fixed price of $1. Many believed the structure to be fundamentally unstable and attackable. In the early half of May 2022, USD and LUNC finally failed, wiping away billions of dollars in investments from illustrious institutions and regular ordinary investors. Do Kwon and Daniel Shin established the Terra network at the start of 2018 with the goal of creating an app for online payments that uses a reliable cryptocurrency. Investors include Arrington XRP Capital, Pantera Capital, Galaxy Digital, and Block Tower Capital contributed $150 million to the company's capital raising in July 2021. The money was given to Terra's Ecosystem Fund, a group that supports initiatives on the Terra blockchain. The business had already raised $25 million in January of the same year. The US issued Kwon with a subpoena in September 2021. He was asked to testify before the Securities and Exchange Commission on Terra's Mirror protocol. The SEC was sued by him and his firm the following month on the grounds that the subpoena had been served unlawfully and that the agency had failed to maintain the investigation's secrecy since Kwon had been served personally at a conference. The Luna Foundation Guard, a company entrusted with building a currency reserve for the USD in event of a serious peg crisis, was established in the early months of 2022. LFG stepped up as a substantial and extremely visible buyer of Bitcoin, accumulating a $3.5 billion hoard of cryptocurrencies in its reserve, the majority of which was held in Bitcoin. The key factor driving USD demand, investors' flight from Anchor, was the price of USD departing from the $1 peg on May 8, 2022. The attempts to restore the peg were unsuccessful, and during the week of May 9 USD once more lost its price peg, finally plunging to cents. LUNC entered a hyperinflationary cycle as a result of the collapse of USD, and the price of the token dropped to just 1 cent. The Terra blockchain was twice stopped during the collapse in order to prevent any governance attacks. The Terra 2 blockchain will go live as part of the community's efforts to revitalize the Terra ecosystem. Late in May 2022, that coin was made available. Both owners of USD stablecoins and holders of the previous Luna tokens received the tokens. The native Luna token of the former blockchain was changed to Luna Classic, while USD was continued in use. What have you learned from this video? Do you think LUNC will be able to revitalize the Terra ecosystem? Let us know your thoughts in the comment. If you think this video have added value to your knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.